In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Google Drive. Whether you're looking to back up precious memories or organize files for easy access, uploading photos can be a breeze with Google Drive. So, let's dive right in and take you through this process step by step. First, fire up your computer and ensure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're all set, go ahead and open Google Drive. It's important to be logged in because that's how Google links your uploaded files to your personal storage space. Now, take a moment to look around. Familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. This will make the whole process smoother. Are you ready? Look for the New button. It's typically located on the top left corner of your screen when you have Google Drive open. Once you spot it, give it a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, choose File Upload. This is the option you'll select whenever you want to add individual files to your drive. When you click this option, your computer's File Explorer will open. This is where you locate the photos you wish to upload. Take your time to navigate through your computer files and find the image or images you want to upload. If you have multiple photos to select, you can hold down the Control key if you're using a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac to select multiple files at once. Once you've highlighted the desired images, direct your attention to the Open button in the File Explorer. This action signals Google Drive to start the upload process. As your photos upload, a small status box will often appear in the bottom right corner of your screen, showing you the progress. It's both helpful and reassuring to watch as your files move from your local computer into the cloud, where they'll be safely stored on Google Drive. Now, here's a handy tip for those times when you're dealing with more than just a handful of photos. If you find yourself wanting to upload an entire folder rather than individual files, there's an efficient way to do just that. Simply click New again in Google Drive. But this time, choose Folder Upload from the drop-down menu. This will open up your File Explorer once more, allowing you to select entire folders to upload in one go. It's perfect for organizing large collections with just a few clicks and can save you a considerable amount of time. And that's it. Those are the steps to seamlessly upload photos, or even entire folders of photos, into your Google Drive. Remember, once your files are on Google Drive, they're accessible from any device with an internet connection, making them incredibly easy to share and view. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!